This video describes an activity called the Smart Shadows problem. To begin, go to the website for this course, and download the math-rich newspaper article like the one shown here. This article describes an exhibit that can be seen at the New York Science Museum. The students at Central Junior High School went to visit this museum, and, after seeing exhibits like the one that will be shown here, they decided to create a similar exhibit for a science fair that they are going to hold in the gymnasium at their school. Your task is to write the letter to these students describing everything they need to know to make shadows like the ones they want. Some clues about how to make such shadows are given in this newspaper article, and the photographs that will be given in this video. This first photograph shows an exhibit similar to the shadows exhibit that they saw at the museum. Notice all of the different shaped pieces inside the box. This second photograph shows a girl peeking through a peephole at the end of the box. This third photograph shows another view of the peephole box and the pieces inside the box. And this fourth photograph shows what the girl saw when she peeked through the peephole. Your problem is that next weekend, 7th grade students at Central Junior High School are planning to hold a science fair in the school's gymnasium, and some of the students would like to create their own version of a shadow exhibit that they saw at the New York Science Museum. The goal of the exhibit will be to fool people by making square shadows using a point source of light in shapes that are not square, like the ones shown here. These shapes can be made using 4-inch by 6-inch index cards. Your task is to write the letter to the students explaining exactly how to hold the light and the shapes so that they make square shadows on the wall. You also need to tell them which, if any, of the shapes can never make a square shadow, no matter how you tilt the shape and the light with respect to the wall. Remember, who is the client? What does this client need? What does the product need to do to be useful?